Well, here's a car you're really going to fall in love with for several reasons. This is a 1992 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Can you believe a 92 that's a one owner? 54,000 miles, and this is a beauty. This is Quasar Blue Metallic on the exterior. We don't often see this. Light gray leather interior, and under the hood a 300 horsepower LT1 engine with automatic transmission and posi rear end. Now, factory features include air conditioning, AM/FM cassette stereo. It has power windows, power locks, power steering, power brakes, power mirrors, power antenna, tilt, ABS, traction control, and it also has rear defrost. And as we said, this car comes with a clean one owner Carfax, 1992. And this is a rare 92 Corvette, and it shows just 54,524 miles. It's in good condition. One of just 1,043 Quasar Blue Metallic Corvettes built in 1992. And the car's paint is in very good condition. It has a great shine. The window sweeps are in good condition. The factory wheels are in good condition. And the interior of this car, well, this 92 Corvette shows good to very good seats, good condition carpet, steering wheel, and door panels. This car is completely factory stock. So call us today for this very rare Quasar Blue Metallic LT1 C4 Coupe with just 54,000 miles. Remember, it includes a free 2-year, 50,000-mile additional limited warranty, good at any repair facility nationwide. Check the pricing and more detailed photos on this car right in the link right down below this video. And remember, we're buyavet.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We can ship nationwide, much less expensive than you would imagine, and we sell cars online. We are an online dealership. You can come visit us anytime and see our super collection of Corvettes here in Atlanta, but we make buying online something you can do with ease and confidence. So be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the notification button when you do, and you'll see every new Corvette that comes to our showroom floor. So give us a call, 770-414-5552, or buyavet.net in Atlanta, Georgia. Hope to hear from you really soon.